Hello, hello, Jory, hello!
Kita mo din, ang ina, mayaman. Bebe, papanak mo.
Hello! Ang cute.
Julia.
Kala ko ready ka dyan. Uy! Please! Stop. Huwag ka talaga. Pag yan may stop, sinasabi ko.
Hello, what's up again? I'm back. Hindi pala ako I'm back. Ayun. Hello. And I'm going to the gym. And it's Monday today, June 9. Today is a very special day for me. So, ayun. Peacefully lang naman akong papunta ng gym. Mag-workout. So, yun. Ayan. Today kasi is medyo maulan. And kaya, yun, sad day. Anyways, ayun, punta na ako ng gym, lalakad. Wala ko masyadong ganap talaga this entire month. Siguro ito na yung panahon ko to rest. Tapos, I don't know, just updating my CV. Tapos yung portfolio ko inaayos ko na. So, ayun, just waiting for the NBAC unemployment era. But whatever. Ayun lang, just enjoying the time, free time I have for myself. Oops, sumabit. But ayun, today is back day, and it's me and my water bottle against the world. Ayan, funny encounter lang din. Sinigyan lang ka daw pupunta kang gym. Ayan, mga grupo ng bata na sumalubong sa akin. Wala, natawa ako kasi I was just casually holding my bottle. Ito, ganito lang, hawak ko ganito. Ayan, tapos, ayan, hindi ko lang, pero sa view siguro sa perspective nila, sabi nila, yung laki kuya, nag-gym ka ba? Ayan, tatawa lang ako bigla kasi wala sila nagsasabi ng gano'n. Hindi ko lang kung nanguuto lang yung mga bata eh. But anyway, natawa lang ako. They're very, very genuine, just very innocent kasi yun, nakamiss lang din. Ayan, natawa lang ako sa reaction nila kanina. Ayun.